Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cleaning with some simple yet effective tips that will transform your space into a sparkling sanctuary. Whether you're tackling a messy kitchen, a cluttered living room, or a dusty bathroom, we've got you covered. Let's start with the kitchen. A clean kitchen not only looks great, but also makes cooking more enjoyable. Begin by decluttering your countertops. Take a few minutes to put away any items that don't belong. Next, grab a multi-surface cleaner and a microfiber cloth. Spray the cleaner on your countertops and wipe them down in circular motions. You'll be amazed at how quickly grime disappears. Now, let's move on to the living room. This is where we unwind, so it's essential to keep it tidy. Start by picking up any stray items, books, toys, or clothes and return them to their rightful places. For dusting, use a damp cloth to wipe down surfaces, starting from the top and working your way down. This way, any dust that falls will be cleaned up as you go. Don't forget to fluff those cushions and vacuum the floor to give your living room that fresh feel. Finally, let's tackle the bathroom. A clean bathroom can make a world of difference. Begin by removing all items from your countertops. Then, use a bathroom cleaner on sinks, tubs, and toilets. Allow the cleaner to sit for a few minutes to break down any tough stains. While you wait, wipe down mirrors with a glass cleaner for that streak-free shine. Once you've scrubbed everything, rinse and put your items back in an organized manner. Remember, cleaning doesn't have to be overwhelming. Break it down into manageable tasks, and you'll find that maintaining a clean home is not only achievable but also rewarding. Thank you for joining me today. I hope these tips inspire you to create a cleaner, more inviting space. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more practical tips and tricks. Happy cleaning, and see you next time.